Hi, welcome to the Lunch Break Gardener. So today I'm going to be talking about scapes. So to grow scapes you need to grow hardneck garlic. So this is a softneck garlic, and as you can see there are lots of layers of cloves but no stalk in the middle. And here we have a hardneck garlic which has the stalk which will grow the scape. The cloves sit around the stalk and they feed it. So if you're going to grow scapes, your bulb will be considerably smaller. As you can see, they appear as an internode between two leaves. So these are the scapes early on, and if I wanted bigger, more bulbous cloves, I would cut them now. But I really like scapes, I enjoy cooking with them and I leave them to grow. My scapes don't often curl up and go into lots of weird shapes as they can, but as you can see they have curled and they are quite long. If you have any ideas as to how I can get my scapes to curl up more, please let me know in the comments. So to cut my scapes, I follow it all the way back to where it meets the leaves and I cut it at the base. So once I've cut all my tendrils off, I bring them in and you can use the whole stem top to toe. Sometimes the base, if it's got too thick, may be worth discarding. It may be a little bit chunky to eat, but otherwise these have a fresh garlic taste and are really enjoyable. Okay, I hope you found that interesting and I'll see you next time.